Many students will eliminate these answer choices because of an extra and here, but while this construction is awkward, there is a greater conceptual explanation to this. Look at the broad construction here. The daily routine of a peasant in pre-industrial societies was largely dominated by whatever this is. Sustenance activities and social obligations, and examples A, B, C and D. See this comma and construction, the Oxford comma construction suggests that the list has ended here. The four activities have ended and therefore this message has also ended. So eliminating this comma and thing because there are two ands will be oversimplifying the issue. This message has anyway ended here. We have to look at the broader construction. The broader construction is that the daily routine of a peasant was largely dominated by something and leisure rarely. Doesn't make sense. Read it like that. Was largely dominated by something and leisure was rare. Awkward, fails to convey any message. Was largely dominated by something with leisure as rare. This with leisure part has merit, but as rare is an incomplete construction. As rare as something else would be a correct construction. You can't just say as rare. So no, as rare, an incomplete message. As a rarity. A rarity is a complete message. See, rare is an adjective. As rare as something else, but a rarity here is a noun. So as a noun, that makes sense. So the broad message would be daily routine was largely dominated by something with leisure as a rarity. That is a complete message. This choice should stay. Choice E. Now without a conjunction here, the sentence is just not going to be right. You have to understand the broad construction. The daily routine was largely dominated by something and this message has ended here. What follows is something extra. There has to be a conjunction here without which the sentence is not going to be complete. So E can go. E is probably the worst of the five answer choices. Let's look at choice D. Confirm it. The daily routine of a peasant in pre-industrial societies was largely dominated by such and such activities, and then the examples of these activities A, B, C, and D. And this comma and D means that the list has ended. This message is over. So the broad construction is that routine was largely dominated by something with leisure as a rarity. A very interesting question. This is inspired by an official question. In the discussions on the forums, we have seen that students as well as experts have eliminated these answer choices on the basis that it is not a part of the list or the usage of two ands is awkward. But the explanation is a lot deeper. D is the correct answer choice.